Hi. So today, the big news is that Amendment 3 is in force, right, Paul?
It is in force now. So go to the IET website, get yourself a copy, read and digest. It's so we said before, it's two definitions of one regulation. So and it gets implemented immediately. So you have to work to this today, don't you?
Yeah, any new designs, you've got to take account of what the application is and choose the appropriate device. So simple as that. But if you've not had enough of getting involved in this process, the DPC and the drafting of new regulations, we've got some even bigger news.
Some bigger news, yes. Guess what? Amendment 4 is on its way. So you can get involved with the DPC process of that regulation soon. So
we will be back with an update on Amendment 4, where Paul and I will go through some of the main content, how to get involved and have your say. See you soon.
Thanks.